Hi guys, I'd like to welcome you guys all back to my channel. Today I'm talking about the new Scribbles That Matters. If you guys know me, I'm a huge Scribbles That Matters fan. You guys are going to be watching me unbox while I talk about it. I went online to get my regular Scribbles That Matters. And I noticed that now you can get the option of getting a blank journal. And it's like a blank journal, and you have the option of getting it like graph, dot, lined, which I thought was really cool. It gave me more flexibility. I also love the fact that I now have a cover. I've always wanted a yellow cover, and this kind of fits the vibe that I'm going for. This also is perfect for fall, which I know I shouldn't be planning for fall already, but this is just what it looks like. I'm going to be doing a side by, like, you should be seeing the small unboxing of it. But so far what I like about it is I like how plain it is and like open it is. I'm going to be designing a cover for this video, for this one, and I'm doing it on my iPad so that we can watch me design it and then watch me put the stickers on here, because it will be stickers. But I just wanted to say, like, comparing the two journals, I love the little bookmarks and the pen. So like everything on the cover is the same. It's just that it's put here. Now, I don't know what caused this. It's a little bit of discoloration. If I left a pen or something on there, I'm not sure. But then I have 3 slots, which obviously I can start putting pins and things there. I have one folder that goes back to there, and then I have another deeper folder. And then I have another one here, but this one I assume is for the planner. Now, I did not put it here as well. I'm not sure if I want to, honestly, because I still want to be able to see the cover that I'm done designing. So I don't know. But at the same time, I realized that if you want to really get the full use of the bookmarks, it probably will be good to have it like attached. So I don't know, we'll see. Everything else about the planner is the same. Same intro, same index, all that. So please ignore those. That's from the next video. We still have a pen test page and all of that. So I do like this. I look forward to trying it out. That's one thing I will say. One thing that I did not like about this journal is that there were a lot of pages that were stuck together. So let me see if I can probably can't find an example back here. Oh, here we are. There was a lot of pages that were stuck together that I actually had to pull apart, which I was not a fan of. Whereas in this one, so far, it seems like everything is, I think this is a saddle stitch. So everything is much easier. Like, I don't know what happened with the binding on that one, but something failed. And this one, I don't have that issue. Every page opens, everything opens and lays pretty flat. So I'm very satisfied with that. But I just wanted to like come on here, share with you guys. Also, I should announce this is video 1. So video 1 is the unboxing of the new bullet journal, talking about what I like and what I don't like. Part 2 is me showing you a flip through of this one, as well as how I transitioned from this one to this one. Part 3 will be me actually starting the transition. Part 4 is the July plan with me. And part 5 is me designing the cover of this bullet journal. Now, with that being said, if you guys have any questions concerning bullet journals, leave them down below, because what I would like to do is continue to talk about bullet journaling and why I like bullet journaling. And you guys are always very helpful. So if you have anything, leave them down below in the comments. The question to end this video is, do you guys plan? Do you have a planner, or are you just one of the notebook to-do list kind of persons? Let me know down below in the comment section. And until the next time, guys, bye.